Business transactions happen every day, and information needs to be kept confidential. But we're still doing NDAs the old way, which takes time, money, and a lot of back and forth to work out. The Contract app makes it easy to create a new NDA and send it out for signature. Pre-negotiate NDA provisions, or get an AI-assisted human review of an NDA. If no negotiations are expected, the Contract app can automate everything by creating an NDA with just a few clicks. Your NDA can be based on industry-standard contracting principles, or you can customize it to your needs. Then, sign it quickly and securely through an integrated e-signature tool. If you think negotiations will be necessary, the Contract app's pre-negotiation interface lets each side select their preferred positions, their fallback positions, and positions that are never acceptable. The Contract app then automatically builds an agreement that works for both parties, avoiding the delay of exchanging drafts. Any open items are highlighted to streamline further discussions. The system saves your preferences for the next time you or anyone else at your company needs an NDA. When you receive someone else's NDA that you need help with, you can upload it to the Contract app for an AI-assisted human review. Agreements are hashed on blockchain, creating an immutable record, so you always know that you're looking at the final executed agreement and that it hasn't been modified. The Contract app is a better way to contract. For you, for your counterparty, for everyone. Visit thecontractapp today to get started.